Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 15 awesome woodworking gadgets on Amazon you can buy. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, while the high-performance motor delivers 300 UWO of power, providing all the force you need for both light and heavy-duty tasks. With 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 and 1500 RPM, it covers a range of applications, from simple home repairs to tougher outdoor projects. When I first tried this drill, I was amazed at how effortlessly it handled different materials, all without draining the battery quickly. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures a tight grip on drill bits, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for extended use. Right out of the box, it was ready to work, and it's since become an essential part of my toolkit. If you need a reliable, powerful drill, this DEWALT model is a fantastic investment. MicroJig Fitfinder 1/2 gauge. The MicroJig Fitfinder half gauge is an innovative tool that saves time and boosts accuracy for anyone working with precise joints. It automatically finds the half thickness of materials up to 3 inches thick, making it perfect for setting fences and cutting depths with no math or measuring required. This is invaluable for creating flawless lap and dado joints with precision. I was in the middle of a woodworking project using dado joints when I first used the Fitfinder. It sped up the process tremendously, helping me find the exact halfway point without the usual trial and error. This tool has quickly become a favorite in my workshop for its simplicity and accuracy. If you're tired of doing the math or making test cuts, the Fitfinder is a must-have for precise, time-efficient results. Worx Pegasus. The Worx Pegasus is the ultimate portable workbench for dyer and pros who need a reliable, foldable workspace. Its 2-in-1 design transitions effortlessly from a workbench to a sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. With a 31-inch to 25-inch surface area, it's spacious enough for painting, woodworking, and repairs, yet folds compactly for easy storage. Setting up the Pegasus was quick, and I was impressed with its durability. It handled my heavy woodworking materials with ease. The integrated clamping system, with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, held even awkwardly shaped pieces securely. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel supports, it's lightweight, yet built to last. For anyone needing a portable, sturdy workspace, the Worx Pegasus is a versatile choice that performs as advertised. Worx 20V Cordless Chainsaw. The Worx 20V Cordless Chainsaw is ideal for anyone seeking a powerful, hassle-free option without the need for cords or gas. Lightweight at just 6.2 pounds, it's as portable as it is efficient, with a 10-inch bar that tackles logs up to 8 inches thick, perfect for firewood or yard cleanup. Its 12.5 feet chain speed, coupled with auto chain tension and lubrication, ensures smooth, quick cuts every time. I needed a portable chainsaw for gathering firewood, and this model exceeded my expectations. The single 20-volt battery holds up well for most tasks, though I carry a spare for larger jobs. The auto lubrication system is a nice touch, keeping the chain in optimal condition, and the oil level indicator is a convenient feature. If you're after a reliable, compact chainsaw for on-the-go needs, the Worx 20V hits the mark with impressive ease and power. 3D MicroJig Push Block. The MicroJig Graw Ripper 3D Push Block is a game changer for woodworking safety and precision. Its unique 3-directional force, downward, inward, and forward, offers unparalleled control, virtually eliminating kickback and ensuring smooth, clean cuts on small stock. The non-slip green grip material holds workpieces firmly, even on materials like hardwood and aluminum. The GRR Ripper quickly became indispensable in my shop, especially when working with narrow pieces on the table saw. Its yellow color is a standout, but it's the secure grip and safety features that impress most. Not only does it work on table saws, but it's also compatible with routers and jointers, making it a versatile addition. The push block's adjustable arms and ergonomic handle allow for precise control and ease during extended projects. If you're serious about both safety and quality in woodworking, this push block is a must-have. Construction Pencil. The Construction Pencil is a compact, multi-purpose marking tool designed to enhance accuracy across a variety of projects. With a durable aluminum alloy build, it features adjustable settings for creating parallel lines and arcs effortlessly. Its versatility shines with over 15 applications, from tiling to paneling, and it conveniently locks into place for stable, precise marking. I've found this pencil to be a great asset for both small and large projects. Its lightweight, pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry around, while the visible scale allows for quick, accurate measurements. Whether marking for furniture or infill panels, it handles each task with ease. The belt clip is a thoughtful addition for accessibility on the go. If you're looking for a reliable marking tool, this construction pencil's versatility and quality make it an invaluable companion in any project. Scraper Utility Knife. The Scraper Utility Knife is a brilliant two-in-one solution for both cutting and scraping needs. With a simple press of the thumb, it transforms seamlessly from a utility knife to a scraper, allowing you to tackle diverse tasks like cutting cardboard, vinyl, and rope, or scraping off adhesive and paint. This tool includes 5 high-quality blades compatible with most utility knives, so swapping blades is straightforward. I love how easy it is to switch between modes with just one button. The non-slip rubber handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, and the finger guard adds an extra layer of safety. A built-in paint can opener and lanyard opening make it even more convenient. While it requires specific blades, which can be pricey, the knife's multifunctionality makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Overall, this utility knife is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a reliable, versatile tool for everyday use. Framer Pouch. The Framer Pouch is a heavy-duty tool pouch designed for demanding job sites. Constructed with 6 durable layers, it's equipped to carry everything a contractor needs, and the included ClipTech system allows it to easily attach to any belt. With 9 pockets, including 3 large capacity ones and a no-snag seam, this pouch keeps tools organized and accessible. One of my favorite features is the integrated kickstand, which allows the pouch to stand upright on the ground, making it easy to reach for tools without bending down. This pouch also has an extreme-duty hammer loop and a pry bar loop, adding to its functionality. Tested and inspected in the USA, the tough-built Framer pouch is rugged and reliable, with a lifetime warranty to back it up. For professionals needing a well-designed, durable tool pouch, this one is an excellent investment that truly stands the test of time. Pocket Hole Jig. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig K4 is a go-tool for quick, strong woodworking joints. Featuring an adjustable 3-hole drill guide, this jig is perfect for working with materials from a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick. With its large clamping recess, it securely holds your workpiece, whether you're using it on a bench or portably. I find the jig incredibly easy to use. It's simply drill, drive, and done, making pocket hole joinery accessible for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. The dust collection adapter is a great addition, allowing for cleaner work by connecting directly to standard vacuum hoses. The precision and efficiency of this jig are outstanding, saving time while achieving solid joints. If you're looking to improve your joinery skills or speed up projects, the Craig Pocket Hole Jig K4 is a tool worth having in your workshop. Worx Sharp MK2. The Worx Sharp MK2 takes knife and tool sharpening to a new level with its upgraded 2-speed motor and flexible belts. From lawnmower blades and axes to serrated kitchen knives, this sharpener handles it all. The belts conform to any edge, making it easy to sharpen outdoor tools, scissors, and more with precision. What sets the MK2 apart is its user-friendly design. The edge guide provides consistent support, making it easy to sharpen to the tip with accuracy. The 2-speed motor offers control for heavy-duty grinding and lighter tasks, while the build quality assures lasting reliability. Backed by a 3-year warranty and engineered in Oregon, it's a solid investment for those serious about maintaining sharp tools. Whether for home or professional use, the MK2 simplifies sharpening and delivers outstanding results every time. T-Track Clamp. The Armor Tool inline clamp is a robust, versatile tool perfect for any workshop. Its automatic adjustment feature allows it to fit securely into any standard 5/16-inch T-rail, and with a hardened steel adjustment rod, it provides consistent clamping pressure even on materials up to 3.75-inch thick. The clamp features a T-bolt that rotates 360 degrees, allowing for quick installation. The large handle offers maximum grip and comfort, while the non-marking plastic tip securely holds corners and rounded materials without leaving a mark. With a 700-pound load capacity, this clamp is a powerful addition to any toolkit, making any woodworking or metalworking project more efficient. T-square ruler. The Woodworking Saddle T-square ruler is an essential tool for carpenters and joiners who demand precision in their markings. Its deep 1/2-inch base edge allows for easy transfer of lines not just on the front, but also on the sides of workpieces, making it ideal for creating studs and grooves. The ruler features laser-marked edges at 1/32" intervals and drilled holes for parallel markings, enabling you to guide a pencil smoothly along the workpiece. With 45-degree beveled edges and a sturdy anodized aluminum body, it offers accurate measurements and ease of use, even in low-light conditions. This ruler will quickly become a go-to tool for any woodworking project. Door Stud. The Pro Series Door Installation Hardware Toolkit offers a revolutionary way to install doors with ease. Its hands-free design allows you to securely hold doors vertically, freeing up both of your hands for precise adjustments. Compatible with swing, sliding, and barn doors, this kit can support doors ranging from 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches thick and up to 300 pounds in weight. With adjustable height and the ability to level the door in 3 directions, it simplifies the installation process while minimizing the risk of damage to your walls or doors. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this tool speeds up installation time, reduces strain, and ensures accuracy, making it a must-have for anyone looking to install doors without hassle. Digital tape. The Recon T1 Tomahawk is a cutting-edge digital tape measure that brings precision and versatility to a new level. With self-calibration and an accuracy of less than 1/30th of an inch, it's ideal for any professional or DIY job where precision matters. The tape itself is replaceable, ensuring long-term use, and the e-paper display can store up to 500 measurements, giving you total control over your data, whether you need to align with its green laser pointer or switch between imperial and metric units. The T1 makes it easy. Additionally, the T1 connects to the Rock JobSite app, allowing you to share cut lists, notes, and measurements with your team in real time. This makes it an indispensable tool for streamlined, tech-enabled job sites. Jurist Contour Gauge. The Jurist Contour Gauge is an essential tool for anyone working with irregularly shaped objects. This set comes with 3 size options: 5-inch, 10-inch, and 15-inch, making it adaptable for everything from small DIY projects to large professional jobs. The splicing function ensures that the tools can be easily combined for more extensive contour measurements. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, carpet cutting, tile laying, and even wallpapering. The double-sided scale, available in both inches and centimeters, makes it easy to measure contours accurately. Plus, with a blade thickness of only 0.05 inches, you get precise measurements every time. Easy to use, simply press the gauge against any surface to capture its shape, then transfer it to the material you're working with. Ideal as a gift for DIY enthusiasts or professionals, the Jurist Contour Gauge offers both functionality and high-quality design, making it a must-have in any tool collection. These 15 woodworking gadgets are more than just tools. They're reliable partners in any project, offering convenience, durability, and precision. Whether you're setting up a new workshop or enhancing an existing one, each gadget is designed to help you work smarter and achieve better results. Elevate your woodworking game with these Amazon finds and enjoy the difference that quality tools can bring to your craft. Ready to upgrade your workshop? Click the links in our review to explore each woodworking gadget and discover how they can enhance your projects with ease and precision.